Right now we're living through truly unprecedented times in the world as we all fight this COVID-19 pandemic. So today, in that context, I want to answer 3 of your most frequently asked questions of my company, Star Rapid. Are we back into production? Well, the simple answer is yes. Now, we were shut down from the 27th of January all the way through to the 21st of February. And if you include in that the days before that when we were shut down for Chinese New Year, we lost 4 weeks of core production. And that's pretty much similar to what most Western countries are experiencing as well right now. It took us right up until the 8th of April, really, to catch up with all the backlog. But now we're caught up, we're open, and we're ready to help you. How can our customers inspect their products now that travels are restricted? Some customers would come to see their prototypes to do some assembly and testing on site, but right now all foreigners are banned from coming to China, so they can't do that anymore. That said, there are a lot of QC companies that you can contract to have come here and do the inspection for you. In addition to that, we actually make high-definition videos so that you can see your parts being assembled and we can liaise with you directly. And if you have any changes to make, say, to your prototypes, we can do that for you. We also have quite a lot of salespeople around the world who can keep in touch with you and keep you up to date with the progress of your projects. Now, actually, as it happens, most of our customers never came here to see their products or to inspect their products before they were shipped. And part of that is because we have this really huge QA and QC department. Now, of course, we always try and make the products right first time. We always do that. But you know, we're not perfect, and some parts have non-conformances. And in cases like that, our QC department is there to make sure that these NCRs do not escape our factory. Are international shipments being held up because of the virus? Well, almost everything that we make is shipped by air anyway. UPS, DHL, FedEx, they're all back working full-time now. The only real restriction that we're facing, or all companies like us are facing, is that there is a maximum limit on the weight that they will ship on your behalf each day, and that's 350 kilos. Now, we're a prototyping and low volume, low quantity business, so even on normal days we would never hit that kind of limit. What I can tell you is that typically it is taking 3 to 5 days longer than it normally would, and that's because of diminished capacity for air freight right at the moment. So that was the 3 most frequently asked questions we've been getting recently. So I'm going to be back real soon with another 3 answers for you.